stronger and better every day with his motivational speech.
Yeah, can you like make better? Yeah.
This like video of us. This guy like Kirby. He like makes like a video with the guy in the tree. So you've been to Boxi Park over here? How do you go, man? How do you go? I think yeah, we should. I have a shot. I have a shot right there. Alright, I have a shot right here. Oh my god, I don't see you. Oh my god. It was clear. Yeah, there's clear. I got this funny idea. Remember a quad? Hey. You're gonna do it too. Like, you're gonna do it too. Yeah. I got it, I'm full up. Yeah. Hey, Boxi.
Orlando Magic's gonna win.
Hey, go!
Orlando Magic.
On, let's get it.
Fucking lit.
Fuck yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we can try to. Hey.
I think that's a self-driving car.
Wait, I'm gonna act like this. What? Wait, no,
Oh yeah, self-driving car.
hey! Self-driving car!
See that self-driving car?
I'm sorry. That was just.
Oh yeah, you did?
I didn't know.
Party in USA? Well, why would you pick up that bandana?
Yeah! Boxi Park. Okay, man. Let's go up. Oh, it starts at like 5.
5? Damn.
Yeah, Friday, 5 to 11.
What time are we at? 11:30 tonight. I know.
Hell yeah.
Hey, ding.
Why is it trending? He was supposed to. You like her?
And then we'll like circle around. That's fun. That's funny.
And if you guys want.
You know I'm a futurist. Got faith in dreams up in this. Know what they say to Chris.
Of course.
I can bring you inside.
That's what it looks like.
It's
What's that?
we call it like in his living room.
Oh.
I don't know what they're gonna do. They want to remove it, obviously. Like that's I think they're only open on the weekends.
Ah, got you.
Yeah, I'll put one in front of
Cranky 3, the elites. Get that. Or if he wants to GoPro it, I can like totally just.
Oh, okay. Oh wait, I want to do it again. But this that one. Wait, was that film? No, not like the whole damn.
That's a rough one. Let's do that, please. A good mix between, yeah.
This is like whenever I see a piece of land in the future, I'm gonna create something like inspired by this. And,
Yeah, I gotta just go with this one. Like, this whole week is just gonna go with it. This whole fucking month is gonna go with it. Don't do a lot of.
One and only. That's good.
go for it. We're gonna get we're gonna have you in this one too.
What do you have to do with this one?
No, it didn't accept mine.
No shit.
Oh wait, I think it's supposed to be here.
Oh.
Oh.
Hey. Yeah, buddy.
Alright, so what should we play, my bro?
Go play Fast and Furious, man.
Wait, I should? No, I've already been driving all day, so.
Man. Yeah, buddy.
Wait, how do I?
The button. The button, dude. Yeah.
Whatever.
Damn.